All week we are celebrating our favorite foodie friends and how they cook, because we know that you're always on the lookout for the next best thing, or sometimes we get those flavor crushes, right, that we kind of get on a kick around, and we want to use those, always on the hunt for the next big flavor. So we want to know what they're cooking with. All week we're keeping our kitchen guests around to share their flavor of the week. So what's yours, sister?
Okay, we are going to go with tahine. It's one of my favorites. It was a hard time deciding because I love so many things, but this is really versatile. So we're gonna, number one, try it on fruit. Have you ever had tahine on pineapple?
Yes, we actually had a producer who grew up in Mexico, and she taught us to put this on everything.
Okay.
Yes.
So much fun. So for a quick and easy breakfast, I love doing avocado toast. And so you can even buy the pre-done guacamole from Costco. Put on toast, spread that on, just a little kick of tahine, and it feels like it's fresh avocado. Because a lot of people don't know that tahine, they feel like it's gonna be spicy because of the color.
Right.
But it's not. It's more of a fresh lime zest is more the taste I feel. You feel a little bit of chili, but it's more of a lime flavor than anything.
It enhances everything.
Yes, yes.
So that pineapple becomes a whole new experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then of course on elote, corn dip is one of our favorites, or just right on the corn of the cob. The Mexican street corn is one of our favorites. So
all right.
try it out.
There you go. Flavor of the week. She's loving it. We are too. Thank you so much. Great job.
Welcome.